Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm half in camera today because I can't get it just right. I've got a big box! I have a box. Should we tear into it? Should we see what's inside? I can't remember what I've ordered. Of course I remember what I've ordered. It's an upgrade. And now everyone's going to be like, oh my god, you should have upgraded 3 years ago. There's your first hint. 3 years ago. What came out 3 years ago? That should have been a long time ago. Also, be very careful when using scissors. Man does not know how to use scissors, apparently. And just like that, we are getting into this. No, we're not. Oh, he's made a right fool of himself getting into a box using... Come on. Ugh, right, part way there. It's time for a worthy upgrade, in my opinion, anyway. Ooh. Oh, oh, it's upside down. Let's put those out the way. We got packing supplies. We all know how much I love a good packing supply. Oh wow. Here we go. Oh, I will show you that in a minute. My second PS5 game, because I actually already own a PS5 game. I got Sonic Superstars, so I think you can guess what it is. I bought myself a PS5 Slim. How am I still not all the way in shot? No way. So yeah, this was a bundle that you could buy. I think it was like $4.80 or something. It's a game I've been really interested in playing. There's a whole bunch of games I want to play. I want to open this, not this. At this moment, and now I've got to set it all up and stuff, which will be very exciting. And we've got... So the one thing I don't like is I hate those type of sticky labels. Like, they always ruin your console, and I haven't even got a letter opener with me. I'm going to have to just try and do it with a pair of scissors. Which, as I've already established, means scissors don't go that well together. We're in. Okay. Okay, that's it. Open it up. We've got the guy from Fortnite. Don't know. Girl from Fortnite and the guy from Fortnite. No. Spider-Man. That's can't think of her name. I'm not sure who you are. Could be Walking Dead. And then Ragnarok. Not Ragnarok. God of War. Okay, so this is inside of the box. How do we get a PS5 Slim out of a box? Does it just slide out? Why do I not know how to open up a box? Oh my god, I am flaming useless. Oh, brick box. Shit. Oh dear. Ah. There's a catch. There was a catch in there the whole time, guys. And now I've ripped down inside of the box. Inside we have a cable. Wicked. And some little triangle thing. And another... Oh, I'm right on... Oh. So this is one of the things that I really like. Oh. Is the fact that I can't get the controller out the bag. Oh, mate. Oh, this console feels nice. See, I don't know if it works, but there's like a... Let me try my phone. See if I can get like a good clear. Like apparently, like if you zoom in, maybe mine just doesn't have it, but it has like a really cool like design. Oh, that is sick. That is. Oh, mate. If one thing that is cool is the PS5 controller. That is cool. So I'm guessing one of these might be the charging cable. Let's get the. I want to keep you somewhere. Stick that over there. We are. Oh, very important. Charging cable. We need that. And now, as per usual, oh mate, very importantly, the manual. Oh, hang on, there's more bits of paper and stuff, and I really can't get this out. Oh, come on. It's almost out the box. There's some more paperwork. I'm not sure which way this is meant to currently be. Let's very carefully unwrap it. Oh, I feel something. Oh, mate, that is so cool. Do I not get? Oh, did they do away with the stand? Oh, that's pretty like cool that I won't have to attach like a stand or anything. Got some sort of wiring around the back. This is the slim version. And my dog is very intrigued. Look how sick that is as a console. With that is so clean. But with that out of the way, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you want me to review the PS. I know like it's been like three years since it like has been out. Can't wait to play this. Gonna get a lot more PS5 games. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do a review. Like, I obviously have an Xbox Series X already, which I never did a video for, I realised. I'm now up to date with all the next gen consoles. Remember to like, comment and subscribe on this video and give it a thumbs up and tell me what's your favourite PS5 game. See you later.